Oh my god, baju Puma RM19, kasut Adidas RM79, Under Armour RM69. I datang sini just nak cari kasut for brisk walk je. But I didn't expect markdown harga kau gila. Up to 80% off, babe. All branded items and original. Korang yang dah book flight tickets for winter vacation end of this year, dah boleh dah nak start beli dari sekarang. Puffer jacket ada kat sini. Kid size pun ada. I rasa kasut is one of the must grab items literally here. Rambang mata weh. Bukan selalu dapat price macam ni kan. And then for kids section, oh my god, I geram gila because the kasut are so cute. And I noticed they separate the size, so it's easy untuk cari your favorite design yang available in your size. Aduh, confused lah nak pilih yang mana. Hello my Pilates girlies, I found this cute windbreaker. Ada choice for other colours juga babe. Pastel purple or dusty purple. Tolong. Pedal pickleball also ada. Love this colour, so cutesy. Badminton racket only for RM25. Memang I terus grab lah. Anyway, sports equipments yang lain pun ada korang. Semua ni kalau beli normal price, mahal betul ya. Sports Planet Warehouse sale ni dekat Bangi Avenue Convention Center. Starts from 27 August till 6 September. This is the chance nak dapat murah.
I mean, why would you buy the same things with higher price kan?
So, this is your sign. Jangan lambat, nanti design favorite korang habis.